Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a website using Canva. Canva provides an incredibly intuitive platform, making website creation accessible to everyone, regardless of design experience. You'll start by exploring their vast collection of professionally designed templates. Once you find one that resonates with your vision, you can easily customize every element to perfectly align with your brand and content. It's a straightforward process that empowers you to build a stunning online presence. Now, let's dive into designing your individual website pages. Canva's drag-and-drop interface makes adding and arranging elements incredibly simple. You can effortlessly incorporate text boxes, upload your own images, and even embed videos to enrich your content. Focus on creating a clear, engaging layout that guides your visitors smoothly through your information. Remember, a well-organized page enhances the user experience significantly. To make your website truly dynamic, you'll want to add interactive elements. Easily incorporate clickable buttons, external links, and essential contact forms to engage your audience. Consistency is key for strong branding. Ensure your chosen color palette and fonts are applied uniformly across all pages. Also, remember to optimize your images and content. This helps your website load quickly, providing a smooth experience for every visitor. Finally, it's time to publish your fantastic new website. Before going live, take a moment to meticulously review every page and link to ensure everything is perfect. Canva offers flexible publishing options, allowing you to use a free Canva domain or connect your own custom domain. Once published, share your website widely and start tracking its performance to understand your audience better. Congratulations! Your professional website is now live.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.